Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set mail to email links to open in Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and ensure that Outlook is recognized as an available email client on your system. Just give it a moment to fully load your inbox and sync your messages. Once your emails have loaded and Outlook is ready, you can now proceed with configuring your default email handler. To set mail to email links to open in Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo in Google Chrome, start by opening your default app settings window. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type in default apps and hit enter. This will bring you directly to the system settings where you can control which applications handle specific types of files and links. Now from here, you'll be presented with several categories and their corresponding default software. These include things like web browser, music player, photo viewer, and importantly for us, email. Scroll through the list and look for the email option. Once you've found it, click on it to reveal your options. This setting determines which email program will automatically launch whenever you click on a mail to link anywhere on your computer, including websites in Chrome. After clicking on the email option, a Choose an App window will appear. You'll see a list of all the email applications currently installed on your system. From this list, click on Outlook if you want all mail to links to open directly in Microsoft Outlook. This means anytime you click on an email address link on a web page, it will automatically launch Outlook and open a new Compose window with that email address already filled in. This makes sending emails quick and seamless without having to manually copy and paste addresses. Now, if you wish to set a different program instead, such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or even Chrome itself to handle web-based email, the process is exactly the same. Simply select and set any of these applications under the default apps section for email. For example, if you prefer using Gmail through your browser, select Chrome or the Gmail app if it's installed. This gives you complete control over how your system handles email links, allowing you to work with whichever email service fits your workflow best. And that's it. You've now configured your system to open mail to links in your preferred email application, whether that's Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, or any other email client you have installed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.